Think you're nailing your push-ups? You might actually be wrecking your shoulders without even realizing it. Most people think push-ups are simple. Arms bend, chest drops, done. But what if I told you that 80% of people in the gym are doing them wrong, and that's why their progress stalls or pain kicks in? Let's start with the top 3 push-up mistakes I see every single day. Mistake number 1, the head drop. People lead with their chin like they're trying to headbutt the floor. That kills your neck alignment and steals tension from your chest. Mistake 2, elbows flaring out like airplane wings. This puts crazy pressure on your shoulders, especially your rotator cuff. And mistake 3, the lazy core. The back sags, hips drop. Suddenly you're doing a weird mix of a push-up and a snake pose. Sound familiar? Don't worry, most people start here. But by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix all of this and build a rock-solid push-up, the kind that strengthens, not strains. Now, before we dive into perfect form, I want you to imagine your body like a skyscraper. The taller it is, the more important the foundation. In a push-up, that foundation is your core and hand placement. Most people think push-ups are all about arms, but truth bomb, your arms are just the movers. The power? That comes from your core staying tight and stable. So, before we even bend our elbows, here's the setup checklist. Hands directly under shoulders, not wide, not narrow. Fingers spread, gripping the floor. Toes tucked, body in one straight line from head to heels. Pause, smile. If your body's a plank, you're golden. If it's a hammock, we've got work to do. Let's go step by step 1. Set your position. Squeeze your glutes, brace your abs. Imagine someone's about to punch you in the stomach. 2. Lower with control. Keep elbows tucked about 45 degrees from your body, not flared out. Your chest, not your chin, leads the way. 3. Pause just above the floor. You should feel your chest stretch slightly, your shoulders stable, and your core tight. 4. Push back up. Exhale, drive through the palms, and return to that strong plank line. No sagging hips, no dolphin dives. See the difference? The wrong version looks sloppy and stressful. The right one looks clean, strong, and smooth. Now, once your form looks clean, here's how to level up. Slow down your tempo. Try lowering for a 3 count. That builds control, not momentum. Keep your elbows slightly tucked and shoulders retracted, like you're trying to pinch a pencil between your shoulder blades. And breathe. Inhale as you go down, exhale as you push up. Oxygen is fuel. Don't hold your breath. This is where most people's push-ups go from exercise to art form. When you control every inch, your chest, triceps, and core all light up. That's how real strength is built. All right, ready for the advanced push-up secrets? Screw your hands into the floor. Imagine twisting the palms slightly outward. It activates your lats and stabilizes your shoulders. Keep your gaze forward, not down. Looking straight at the floor rounds your spine. Pick a spot slightly ahead of your hands to keep your neck neutral. Core tight, glutes on. Think of your body like one solid steel beam. The stronger that beam, the easier the push-up feels. When you get all this right, you'll notice something crazy. Push-ups start to feel lighter, smoother, even. Effortless. That's not magic. That's alignment. So let's recap. Hands under shoulders. Elbows tucked at 45 degrees. Core and glutes tight. Chest leads, not the chin. Smooth, controlled movement. No rush. Now here's your challenge. Drop down and give me 10 flawless reps. Not fast, not flashy, just perfect. Feel every muscle working. Feel how